Hi, this is Claire from AHA. Today I'm going to introduce you to AHA Whiteboards, the only purpose-built whiteboarding tool for product teams. From brainstorming customer solutions to mocking up designs and collaborating on delivery plans, you will love how easy it is to bring exciting new concepts to life. Let's take a look. Start with a blank canvas or use a guided template built by AHA experts. The template library provides a playbook for every aspect of product development. Browse by category, find the one you want, and get straight to work. Refer to best practices and pre-filled examples for inspiration. AHA Whiteboards includes all of the core functionality you expect from a whiteboarding tool, including text boxes, sticky notes, shapes, and connectors. The difference is the specialized functionality designed expressly to accelerate product innovation. Use AHA shapes to represent work items, such as initiatives, releases, epics, and features, as you plan what to build. Add advanced shapes, like interactive timelines, progress bars, and tables, to sketch out your roadmap. And create sophisticated business process and architecture diagrams to convey complex information. You can also use our powerful AI assistant to quickly generate wireframes, summarize themes from a brainstorm, arrange shapes, and so much more. Let's go ahead and create a wireframe. Imagine that we want to make some improvements to an analytics dashboard for a fictitious fitness application called Fredwin Cycling. We quickly upload a screenshot of the existing dashboard into the AI assistant. This gives us a really great starting point. From here, we can provide follow-up instructions or choose from a library of wireframe components, including buttons, navigation menus, and input fields as we iterate on the desired user experience. When you're ready for feedback, give a presentation directly from your whiteboard using frames to explain your idea. Then share your board with unlimited stakeholders at no additional cost so they can provide input. The group can weigh in by leaving comments, adding sticky notes, or using emojis to express their reaction. Whiteboards are especially helpful for collaborative planning sessions. Quickly pull in existing work from tools like AHA Roadmaps, Jira, and Azure DevOps, and use AHA shapes to capture new items. Here, we're using the PI planning template to coordinate delivery across multiple teams and sprints. Folks can work side by side, moving items around freely as they align on priorities and sequence out the work. Run a 5 vote at the end of the session to gauge the team's level of confidence in achieving the plan. Better still, use AHA Whiteboards as an integrated part of AHA Roadmaps to streamline how you turn ideas into action. Convert AHA shapes into actual AHA records in a single step, without having to manually re-enter the data. You can also export roadmaps, reports, and other views onto a whiteboard to adjust your plans in a more flexible way. Highlight existing dependencies between work items, and quickly update the feature details right from the whiteboard. This empowers everyone at your organisation to work closely together as you plan, build, and deliver lovable products. This is just the start of what is possible with AHA Whiteboards. Need help? Use the question mark in your account to get help from an expert. Our customer success team has deep product knowledge and responds incredibly fast. Get started today with a free 30-day trial or schedule a live demo to see examples of how other teams are using this powerful functionality to drive product innovation.